Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can fix the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 error code 0x0-0x1-0x9 and 0x3. So guys, the game has crashed on PC. So what do you do, guys? The first step first method to fix this error, you should restart your PC. And this, when you restart the PC, guys, the problem you will be solved on sometimes. So guys, this is first method, and this method number 2, guys, is the game on Steam. You should go to Steam and click property, and from here just go to compatibility and check the RAM program and compatibility and mode for Windows 8, and also want to check the RAM program as an administrator, and then go ahead to apply. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. And open Call of Duty, and it's on Xbox Game Pass. Same things, guys, basically for Steam, and you can do it for Game Pass. So guys, on Xbox. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Subscribe to my channel.